The robot revolution in automotive production: faster, smarter, better. Welcome to Tech Dream Gear, your go-to channel for exploring the wonders of modern technology and future innovations. Today, we're delving into one of the most exciting advancements in the automotive industry, the robot revolution. Robots are transforming car manufacturing, making it faster, smarter, and better than ever before. Grab your favorite tech gadget, settle in, and let's explore how robots are reshaping automotive production and driving the future of mobility. Why robotics matter in automotive production. The automotive industry is at the forefront of technological evolution. With the rise of electric vehicles, EVs, autonomous cars, and sustainable manufacturing, the need for precision, efficiency, and scalability has never been greater. Enter robots, the key players revolutionizing how cars are designed, built, and delivered. In this video, we'll uncover the transformative impact of robotics on automotive production, highlighting innovations, benefits, and the challenges that come with integrating this technology. The evolution of robots in automotive manufacturing. 1. The early days. Robots made their debut in car manufacturing in the 1960s, primarily performing repetitive tasks like spot welding. These early machines were groundbreaking but limited in flexibility and intelligence. 2. The automation boom. By the 1980s, robotic arms became commonplace in assembly lines, boosting productivity and reducing errors. Automation improved consistency but required significant oversight and programming. 3. The smart factory era. Today's robots are equipped with AI and machine learning capabilities, enabling them to adapt to complex tasks and collaborate with humans. These advancements mark the transition from automated factories to fully smart factories. The role of robots in modern car manufacturing. Robots have taken on a variety of roles across automotive production, including 1. Precision welding. Robots use advanced techniques like laser welding to create durable, seamless joints. AI-driven sensors ensure accuracy and adjust for inconsistencies in real time. 2. Painting and coating. Robotic arms deliver flawless finishes with minimal waste, adhering to strict environmental standards. Adaptive programming allows them to handle different car models effortlessly. 3. Assembly and component installation. Robots assemble intricate parts, such as engines and interiors, with micrometer precision. Automated material handling systems streamline the movement of components across the factory floor. 4. Quality control and inspection. Vision systems powered by AI allow robots to detect defects that might go unnoticed by human inspectors. These systems ensure every car meets exacting quality standards before leaving the factory. Benefits of robotics in automotive production. The integration of robotics in car manufacturing delivers numerous advantages. 1. Unmatched efficiency. Robots operate 24/7, significantly boosting production capacity and reducing downtime. 2. Enhanced precision. Advanced robotics achieve levels of accuracy that minimize waste and improve vehicle performance. 3. Cost savings. Although initial investments are high, robots lower long-term operational costs by reducing errors and waste. 4. Improved safety. Robots handle hazardous tasks, such as welding and paint spraying, reducing the risk of workplace injuries. 5. Environmental sustainability. Robots optimize resource usage, helping manufacturers meet stricter environmental regulations. Challenges in robotics integration. While robots offer incredible potential, adopting them comes with challenges. 1. High initial costs. Building robotic assembly lines requires substantial capital investment. 2. Technical expertise. Maintaining and programming robots demands a highly skilled workforce, necessitating ongoing training. 3. System integration. Incorporating robotics into existing production lines can be complex and time-intensive. 4. Ethical concerns. Increased automation raises questions about job displacement and workforce adaptation. Innovations driving the robot revolution. Robotics technology is advancing rapidly, introducing game-changing innovations. 1. Collaborative robots, cobots. Cobots are designed to work alongside humans, enhancing productivity and flexibility. 2. AI-powered robotics. Robots equipped with AI can predict maintenance needs, analyze production data, and optimize workflows. 3. 3D printing integration. Robotics combined with 3D printing enable on-demand production of complex parts, reducing lead times. 4. IoT and connectivity. Connected robots seamlessly communicate with factory systems, enabling real-time monitoring and adjustments. Real-world applications. Robotics are transforming automotive production across the globe. 1. Tesla's fully automated lines. Tesla employs advanced robotics for precision battery assembly and vehicle production, setting benchmarks in efficiency. 2. Toyota's lean manufacturing. Toyota integrates robotics with lean principles, achieving unparalleled quality and waste reduction. 3. Volkswagen's smart factories. VW leverages AI-driven robots to personalize vehicles and manage large-scale production efficiently. The future of robotics in automotive manufacturing. The future of robotics in car manufacturing is filled with possibilities. 1. Electric vehicle (EV) production. Robots will play a critical role in scaling EV production, focusing on battery technology and lightweight materials. 2. Personalized manufacturing. AI-driven robots will enable consumers to design customized vehicles on demand. 3. Sustainable factories. Robotics will drive zero-emission manufacturing, aligning with global sustainability goals. 4. Global collaboration. Connected robotics will facilitate seamless collaboration between production hubs worldwide. A smarter, greener, and faster future. The robot revolution is propelling the automotive industry into a new era of innovation. By combining speed, intelligence, and sustainability, robotics is not only transforming how cars are made but also shaping the future of transportation. Thank you for watching Tech Dream Gear. If you enjoyed this deep dive into robotics in automotive production, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Stay curious, and we'll see you in the next episode.